cry. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold. Breathe in some love. Let yourself unfold.
Guys, I've forgotten to start my vlog from home. Just follow us to do some shopping. Not shopping actually, just we're going out to do some stuff. And since the weather is giving what you should give, weather is giving what you should give. It's good we explore. So we're going to Primark to pick up some more stuff. We went to the hospital also to do some stuff as well. Then we're good. See ya. Come on.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me when I'm stuck here on planet X. I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. My head tells me to stop, but there is nothing I can do. No. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that low mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. Stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, hey. Kan inte ta tillbaka.
So guys, we are here. We're going to Boots now to pick up some our cream. There's this particular cream that we use. Baby, where's the boot now? I cannot even get it again. Sure. Let's try. This man was doing as if he knows this. So we're done buying stuff at Primark. So we're going to Boot now. Asine. I don't know when we should be able to. Okay, fam. Oh wow, they've done this place. It's been long I came to the city. Oh. Really nice. Maybe want to see me by it. It's been long I came here. That's Boots there.
För många nätter på lösa sånt som aldrig borde varit problem. Denna gången vill jag göra om. Vi blir bättre och bättre nu. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one. För jag har någonting med dig, vill någonting med dig. Alla omkring mig kallar mig lucky one. För jag har någonting med dig. Ge mig en chans. Jag var som helst för att hitta balansen. Baby, bara en chans till. Tro mig, jag ska visa dig allt. Om min farlight, baby, en chans. Jag var som helst för att hitta i land. Oh baby, bara en chans.
So guys, I also branched at Sabrina. I don't know, I've shown you guys on my vlog before to get some nail polish, nail remover and stuff. See my husband is tuning with me with shades. So we're done buying stuff. We're done buying the cream from Boots. Then I think we're heading home now. No, we're going to the market, the baby. Let's go down this road now to the market. We're going to the market. I'll see you guys when I get to the market. Okay?
I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart. No, little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No, little by little here. 'Cause I give my all. Oh, no, little by little.
Fam, we're done buying stuff from the open market. That's the market behind me. We're done buying stuff. But now we're home now. No, let's pass here. We want to cross the road now. Let's go, baby. So guys, it's been a day. So earlier on we went to the post office to deposit some money, but we didn't do that. We also went to the hospital because we are moving. We already, we moved the house, and where we're staying before is not convenient for us to be going from that side to like for GP's appointments and thereabouts. So we needed to move our GPs down to where we're staying now. So and today my husband is around and I'm also off duty, off work today. So I decided that okay, let's go and do that stuff today. And this is okay now because they gave us a form to fill so that they can transfer us down there. But it's a lot of forms. So when we get home, we didn't fill the form. When we get home, we're gonna fill the form. So just took the form, then we headed to the city center where we went to the boat, went to Primark and stuff like that. Now open market, but we're going home now. Oh, you can see your kini biba. What's your bus stop? Oh, you tún títì ṣe nílùú. Wọ́n máa ń tún títì ṣe ni. When I get home, I'll show I'll show you whatever I got. I'll show you all the things that I bought. Somehow, and this summer, it's the heat is too much. Hey, seatbelt I'm carrying. We are home already. I don't want to carry something. It's going to take the my talk, guys. The summer is summering to the extent that I'm beginning to be journeying. My color is becoming darker again because the summer, the eating is not even funny. But we are home now, guys. I'll talk to you later when I get upstairs to show you whatever it is that I got. If you guys can see, this is a girl looking, giving what it should give. I look good, I know. Even though it's dark, my skin is giving skinning. Guys, these are the things we got. We got this hanger. It's £2.50, £2.80. Bought these eggs as well, £2.80, 12. They're not bad though. Oh, they're bad, won't tell you now. This is Rodo Scotch bonnet. We bought, but these are the things we bought at open market. £1. How many? 6. Then we bought this one, £3. It's very expensive. Oh, okay, this was the one we bought at German. Then tomatoes, 2 bowls for £2. Guys, I bought this oil for my scalp. I love it. It's very good. £4. Bought 2. This one is tea tree stimulating growth oil, and this one is olive oil. Same price for £4. This one is £1.49. Cotton wool for. Then I bought the nail polish, nail remover as well. That one is £3. Wow. Then I bought nail polish. I bought this one, this color, white, and I got for my toenail. So that's pretty what I bought at that City Sabrina. Then what else I got? I got this one. This one. You know, I told you guys I want to arrange that toilet. I need to arrange and put all those stuff inside. Oh, okay. I got this tweezer as well. This tweezer for my lashes. So that's pretty. This one is $3.50. It's $3.50. So I'll be arranging all those stuff inside there. Then I got my cream. I bought 2 of them, cocoa butter. I don't even remember how much. Maybe how much did you get? Okay, don't worry, I've seen the receipts.
£9.
Okay, £9, almost £10 for this one. So I got 2 of them. Easy. I love it. It's really nice. I use it for my skin. It makes my skin glow. So I think that's pretty everything we got. I'll see you in another vlog. Bye. So guys, this is how the storage that I just got. This is how it's looking. At least it looks better now. Arranging it there. And also my foot mat, they are great. So I just feel like it works for me. And so this is how the nude and everything. This is how this one is looking now. This one is the mouthwash. Then that's my candle. I've already ordered for my toilet roll holder. It's coming soon, so it's going to be here. So this one won't be here anymore. Then this is the bowl that we use. Then that one, I'll look for something better. But presently, this is how it looks compared to the way everything was just scattered. It looks more better. So guys, we're thinking of what to eat, but we decided that we're going to eat. I don't know, my face is a bit rough. Ignore. So I'm thinking of, I made moi moi. I don't know if I filmed it. If not, I will show you later. So this is the moment I'm microwaving it. So I microwave one for my husband. I didn't use moi moi leaf. I use all this foil paper. Not foil, pure foil. That one that they use for, it's foil now. It's foil paper, yeah. That has cover. That one they use for. Oh my god, for small chops. Yes. So this is, I'm going to show you now. Okay. So guys, this is the moi moi that I made. I just turned the back, and this is chia seeds. I added chia seeds to our oats. Then this is mine. So I'm going to add small milk to it. So that's my husband's, and this is moi moi. So let me see if I can turn the moi moi upside down so that you guys can see I'm coming. So this is how it looks. Really yummy, 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 yummy. You guys are spending the day with us. So I'm microwaving mine. So I'll just add my milk. Oh, let me make you. Don't worry, I love milk. But I'm not taking a lot this time around. Still a lot, even though my pot is small. So that's that. Baby, come and eat. Guys, I want to make this food that I don't even know how it's going to work. So my mother-in-law wants this. She wanted, she's a bit strong, so she wanted barbecue fish with potatoes, stir fried veggies. And I've never done it before, but this is the fish actually. I don't know if you guys are seeing me, because I'm using that my selfie tripod, that AI, that one that can move at face recognition. I don't think this thing I'm using is okay. So okay, that's this to show you. That face recognition. And I'm a bit tired, I don't know. So tired. So that the sauce can go in and pattern out the water out. I'm not even fried the pepper, because I need to fry and make the pepper for this particular recipe. I want to, like, everywhere is so stuffy. I'm tired. I'm not like, because I just came out from work and I slept. Just woke up not quite long. Why is this is the pepper I'm going to use. I'm feeling very tired. Let me go and carry the fan from the room. Maybe that's why I'm tired, lady. So, this is the pepper that I'm using. This is the onions.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that low mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey.
My brown ginger. You know that I put garlic already. But I'll still put my garlic. I think I'm going to mix all mine. Okay, let me put
Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump off my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
Bailando en la disco la canción soltera.
La canción soltera, yeah.
Se ve que ella no está puesta para el amor. Yeah, yeah. Pero eso cambiará cuando ella me vea acá.
Porque lo sepas.
Porque ella me ha cupido a pedirle un favor. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que esos labios me den.
Let me fight, it's fine. I told you it's very peppery.
Ganar orgullo y que sea lo que tú quieras hacer.
Quiero hacer lo que tú quieras hacer.
Repetiría 1.000 veces la noche que te vi. Sabía que era ese hombre que me hace reír y me hace creer que yo soy la mujer que se merece algo puro y no solo pa' comer. Que yo lo quiera, ya no va conmigo. Ya quiero ese hombre que me.
So I'll be using this one for the cabbage. For the potatoes, the Irish potatoes. Now, let us season this. See? Let it grill. Then let's meal. So the stir fry. I'm using another frying pan for that. Okay, let's see what the stir fry looks like. Wash this one.
Lo suyo, que la fluidez le gane al orgullo y
que todos tus amigos te dicen nada. Yo voy a llorar un día como mamá. Baby, a ti te adoro y lo sabes bien. Y me aseguro no te dieran otra vez. No me digas que no, es que el miedo lo jode. Lo que tuvo sentido por mi bebé, yo pa' ti estoy. No puedo vivir sin eso, sin tus caricias y tus besos. Qué rico tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Se siente mágico solo el abrazarte. Tú has prendido y se llama enviarte. Qué rico tocar tu piel, pero más rico es el poder conectarse. Sé que te loco, pero yo te amo. Yo ya no sé ni decirte.
Esperando tu DM, pa' que invites una ronda más, pa' que sola no me beses ya y se repita lo de ayer. Esperando tu DM, pa' que la noche haga lo suyo, que la fluidez le gane al orgullo y que sea lo que tú quieras ser.
Y que sea lo que tú quieras ser, mami, tírame al día. I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will unfold.
So far, so this is the vegetable stir fry with Irish potato. It really tasted really nice. Then this is the barbecue fish that I made. I love the way it is dry and crisp. So I'll be taking these two to our place. Then I left some for my husband and I. So this is the fish. I don't mind the burnt part, but I really love the way it looks. Then this is the remaining stir fry for my husband and I. I'm not going to eat a lot, so that's that. I'll have one fish. You will also have one fish, but I think my mother-in-law liked the head of, barbecue fish like that, so that's why I decided to. My husband likes pepper, so let me just put it like that for him. Then the remaining pepper, I will add it to my mother-in-law's food. So this is it. Looks really yummy. I'll cover our own now, then we'll take it to our...
My tongue keeps slipping, I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you could be my fan.